Hi everyone, welcome to the second session of Unit 1, Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. In this session, we will discuss about methods to express concentration of solutions. Most of the chemical reactions carried out in laboratories are in the form of solutions. So, it is very important to understand how the amount of substances are expressed when they are present in the form of solutions. There are different methods to express concentration of binary solutions. So, here we will discuss a few among them. They are mass percent, molarity, molality and mole fraction. So, before moving to the topic, let us recall a few points. A solution consists of solute and solvent. Solute is a substance that dissolves in solvent. Solute is generally present in smaller quantity and solvent is generally present in larger quantity. A binary solution is a solution which contains only two components. Mole is the amount of any substance which contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles, that is Avogadro number of particles. Now, let us discuss each method in detail. So, the first method is mass percent. Mass percent is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So, this is the mathematical expression for mass percent and it has no unit. Now, let us do one problem. The question is, a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percent of the solute. So, we know that mass percent is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Here the mass of solute, that is A, is 2 gram and mass of solution is equal to 2 gram plus 18. 2 plus 18, that is equal to 20 gram. So, let us substitute these values. 2 divided by 20 into 100. So, we will cut the zeros. And you will get the answer as 10%. This is the mass percent of the solute in the solution. The second method is molarity, which is represented using the symbol capital M. Molarity is the number of moles of solute present per liter of the solution. Molarity M is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. And while doing numerical problems, you can use this formula, that is M is equal to WB into 1000 divided by MB into volume in ml. So, here this B represents solute. So, WB is the mass of the solute, MB is the molecular mass of the solute and V is the volume of the solution. We know that number of moles is equal to given mass by molecular mass, that is given as WB by MB. And if the volume is given in liters, you do not have to multiply with 1000. The unit of molarity is moles per liter or molar, capital M. To prepare 1 molar solution of NaCl, you have to dissolve 1 mole of NaCl to a final volume of 1 liter. That means the solute and solvent together, it should be 1 liter. It should not exceed 1 liter. That is 1 molar NaCl solution. Now, let us do one numerical problem. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 8 gram of NaOH in 500 ml of water. The molecular mass of NaOH is equal to 40 gram. Molarity M is equal to WB into 1000 divided by MB into volume in ml. So, here B represents solute and here the solute is NaOH. So Wb is the mass of the solute, that is 8 gram. Mb is the molecular mass of the solute, that is 40 gram, and V is the volume, it is given as 500 ml. Let us substitute these values. So after calculation, you will get the answer as 0.4 molar. So the molarity of the solution is 0.4 molar. Our next method is molality, which is denoted using the symbol small letter m. Molarity is the number of moles of solute present per kg or 1000 gram of the solvent. That is, molarity m is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. While doing mathematical problems, we will use this formula. M is equal to Wb into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa in gram. So I have already said here B represents solute. So Wb is the mass of solute, Mb is the molecular mass of solute, and Wa is the mass of solvent. The unit of molarity is moles per kilogram or molar, which is denoted using small letter m. So to prepare 1 molar NaCl solution, you have to dissolve 1 mole of NaCl in 1000 gram of water. That is 1 molar NaCl solution. Now let us do one numerical problem. Calculate the molarity of solute in an aqueous solution of glucose containing 18 gram of glucose. Molecular mass of glucose is 180 gram in 500 gram of water. So we know that molarity m is equal to Wb into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa in gram. B is the solute and here the solute is glucose. So the mass of solute is 18 gram, molecular mass of solute is 180 gram, and Wa is the mass of solvent, that is 500 gram. Here the solvent is water. Let us substitute the values. 18 into 1000 divided by 180 into 500. 0.2 molar. The last method to express concentration is mole fraction, which is denoted using small letter x. Mole fraction is the ratio of the number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of solution. So consider a binary solution containing two components A and B. So the mole fraction of A, that is XA, is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. Here n represents the number of moles. We have already studied that number of moles is equal to given mass by molecular mass. So Na is equal to Wa by Ma and Nb is equal to Wb by Mb. So to calculate mole fraction of B, that is Xb, the formula is Nb divided by Na plus Nb. That is the total number of moles of the solution, Na plus Nb. Then for a binary solution, the mole fraction of all the components is equal to unity. That is Xa plus Xb is equal to 1. Now let us do one question. The question is, calculate the mole fraction of Ki in 20% aqueous solution of Ki. Molecular mass of Ki is 166 gram and that of water is 18 gram. This is a binary solution. We have two components, Ki and water. So the mass of Ki is equal to 20 gram. Since it is 20% Ki, it is 20 gram, and mass of water is equal to 100 minus 20, that is equal to 80 gram. Mole fraction of Ki is equal to, that is Xki is equal to Nki divided by NH2O plus NKI. Now let us calculate the number of moles of Ki. NKI is equal to WKI by MKI. That is equal to 20 divided by 166, 0.12 mole. NH2O, number of moles of water is equal to WH2O divided by MH2O is equal to 80 divided by molecular mass of H2O, that is 18, that is equal to 4.44 mole. Let us substitute these values. 0.12 divided by 4.44 plus 0.12, that is equal to 0.0263. So this is the mole fraction of Ki in the aqueous solution of 20% of Ki. So today we studied about different methods to express concentration of solution. The first one is mass percent. Mass percent is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Then molarity. Molarity is the number of moles of solute present per liter of solution, and molality is the number of moles of solute present per 1000 gram of solvent. Then the last method is mole fraction. It is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to total number of moles of solution. And out of these methods, molarity is the method that depends upon temperature, because molarity is based on volume of solution. So volume is a factor which changes with temperature. Thank you.